Gas grills are grills that cook food using gas. Cooking on a gas grill is a great way to prepare delicious grilled food without having to stoke a fire. It only takes 10 minutes to reach desired temperatures for you to throw on some burgers and meat. Cleanup is also quicker and less messy. You simply turn off the gas and you don't have to wait for coals to die down. There is no ash to dispose of, and the removable drip trays make grease management a breeze. So are you in the market for getting one? Well, whether you opt for an upgrade of your first unit or looking for a brand new one, you've come to the right place, because today we're looking at the 5 best gas grills on the market to help you find the perfect one to suit your grilling needs. So join us as we introduce them one by one. At number 1 is the Nexgrill 4-burner propane gas grill in stainless steel with side burner and stainless steel door. It boasts up to 626 square inches of total cooking space with 4 stainless steel main burners, 12,000 BTUs each. They're durable and distribute heat well for even cooking, and one side burner supplying 60,000 BTUs of flame roasting energy. It also has 462 square feet in the main cooking grates that offer plenty of space. The main grill deck is equipped with stainless steel wrapped cooking grids featuring 7mm crossbars, which distributes uniform heat throughout the firebox. At the same time, the one side burner lets you whip up a quick side dish. This gas grill has an angled flame tamer that deflects heat to prevent flare-ups and transform drippings into flavor vapors that infuse foods with distinctive smoky taste. Its electric ignition fires up instantly, and the upper level warming rack provides a place to heat up buns and keep food toasty. It quickly eliminates the hassle of labor-intensive startups with push-to-start ignition for each individual burner. The casters are portable, and the built-in thermometer enables precise temperature regulation. The Nexgrill gas grill provides the best value in grilling performance and quality construction with its heavy-duty wheels, making it all-weather, crack-proof casters for allowing easy mobility. In addition to all these features, the Nexgrill 4-burner propane gas grill has 164.5 square inches of stainless steel warming rack, which lets you keep finished food warm until side dishes are done. Since the stainless steel wrapped main cooking grates provide an easy to clean surface and uniform heat, the temperature gauge ensures consistent cooking for flavorful results. At number 2 is the Genesis 2 E315 3-burner propane gas grill. It's equipped with the GS4 high-performance grilling system. It has 3 powerful burners that are guaranteed to ignite every time, and iGrill 3 smart technology compatible and backed up by the Weber 10-year lid-to-wheels warranty. The bar has been raised and the new standard has been set in the gas grilling world. The Genesis 2E also has shop Weber grill thermometers, Weber grill covers, and Weber replacement parts, which makes this product unique in that its 3 stainless steel main burners distribute 39,000 BTUs per hour, which delivers consistent flow. Its porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates provide even heat distribution across the entire surface. The 51.3 square inches on the primary cooking area gives you plenty of room for a wide variety of foods to grill at once. It also has a tucked-away warming rack that provides 150 square inches of extra space to help keep food warm and folds down for easy storage. The product is also compatible with Elevation's tiered grilling system. Its central-mounted thermometer monitors the internal temperature of the grill. The iGrill 3 app-connected thermometer monitors food from beginning to end, displaying the real-time temperature on your mobile device. This accessory is sold separately. It also has 2 fixed side tables with integrated tool hooks to keep platters, seasonings, and tools within arm's reach. Mounting the gas tank to the outside of the grill makes it easier to access and remove, and then the fuel gauge lets you see how much fuel is left. Most of all, the brand promises that your grill, should it need any manufacturing problems within the 10-year time frame, will be replaced at no charge. Well, you've seen the first 2 items on the list. Did you like either one? Well, if not, don't worry, we still have 3 more. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to let us know in the comments. We always look forward to them, and we'll do our best to respond to everyone. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the Dyna-Glo 5-burner propane gas grill. It measures 53 inches wide, 47 inches deep, and 24.5 inches long. It weighs 108 pounds. The porcelain-enameled warming rack provides 150 square inches of additional cooking space and a couple of large side tables to furnish extra food preparation. This product is very durable and high quality because the burners are made from commercial-grade stainless steel square tubes. Each one delivers 10,000 BTUs of heat. Therefore, the 5 burners together deliver 50,000 BTUs total. That's hot enough temperature for perfectly grilled food. The side burner of the Dyna-Glo gas grill delivers 12,000 BTUs. Each burner has its own electric ignition, and they have infinite setting control valves for better heat control. Every burner is run on propane gas. The lid also has a temperature gauge for more accurate temperature adjustments. Also, the total cooking surface is 708 square inches, one of the larger surfaces compared to the others. It also has 5 stainless steel heat tents. Above the cooking surface is the heavy gauge stainless steel cooking grate that won't rust and will last a long time. The Dyna-Glo gas grill is a satisfactory choice of a gas grill. It's made from quality materials for its price, produces the right amount of heat, and distributes it pretty evenly across the cast iron grates. You can expect an excellent grilling experience from this model. At number 4 is the Cuisinart 2-burner gas grill. It's a simple gas grill that has 2 main burners and little else related to grilling. It has stainless steel body parts and a nice big window in the lid. You can watch your grill cook without getting up from your chair. This gas grill is built to fit any space with foldable side tables. Experience exceptional cooking with durable cast iron cooking grates and built-in appliance-grade viewing window with temperature gauge that easily monitors things without losing heat. The Cuisinart gas grill has 2 powerful stainless steel burners with a ceramic that protects the burner and ensures that it lights every time. It offers ample cooking space, boasting 503 square inches and 378 square inches for the primary area, with 125 square inches for the secondary area. Also, it has stainless steel warming rack designed to flip up for larger cuts of meat. It's designed to fit any space without limiting your outdoor living space. It has no limits to what your grill can handle. What's better than having a barbecue or picnic with family and friends? This Cuisinart gas grill can get that job done for you in no time and make sure your food ends up being remarkable. Well, that takes care of 4 out of the 5 items on our list. Did you find one you like yet? Well, if not, don't worry, we still have 1 to go. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. And now let's check out our final grill. At number 5 is the Char-Broil Performance 4-burner cart gas grill. It features a sleek black stainless steel design that's very ideal for family feasts. It measures 50 inches wide, 24.5 inches deep, and 45 inches high. This gas grill delivers 36,000 BTUs of heat across the 425 square inch cooking surface. It has an additional 150 square inches of a swing-away secondary cooking area. It accommodates large-sized meals the whole family will enjoy. The basic cooking surface measures 23 inches wide by 18.5 inches deep and features porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are rust-resistant. It also helps prevent food from sticking, and it's easy to clean. Getting the grill fired up is also similarly smooth, merely pressing the electronic ignition system, which produces the right amount of heat and power. You don't need to manually ignite and deal with an unreliable poor starter. It has sizable metal side shelves that provide ample workspace. They're large enough to accommodate anything from spices, veggies, sauces, baked potatoes, and more. The Char-Broil grease tray is also effortless to remove and clean. After cooking sessions are done, you don't have to struggle to clean up and remove the grease from the grill. The smooth coated tray makes even the most stubborn grease easy to get rid of. And there you have it, the 5 best gas grills on the market. For prices and more information, please head on down to the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified of our latest reviews. If you found this video helpful, please recommend it to your friends and family to help them with their buying decisions. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. We'll see you next time here at the ReviewTube channel.